In today's fast-moving industrial world, safety isn't optional, it's essential. At PowerSafe Automation, we're more than a product supplier. We're a turnkey safety solutions partner, trusted by manufacturers nationwide to deliver custom machine guarding, automation integration, and compliance-driven safety systems. From risk assessments to full system integration, we engineer custom guarding solutions that protect your people and keep your operations compliant, efficient, and safe. Our innovative safety systems, like machine guarding, presence sensing safety devices, tailored custom machine guards, power transmission guards and covers, and machine guards and shields. All combined with our on-site guarding review, custom design with turnkey services including a slide deck presentation with scope of work, CAD models, and turnkey quote covering. Manufacturing and assembly, installation and integration, and preventative maintenance. Provides you with premium value resulting in reduced pain points with a single source faster path to reduced hazards, consistency in design, streamlined communication, improved supply chain support, cost optimization, simplified administration, reduced lead times, brand compliance, and optimized deployment. When safety matters most, partner with the team that makes it simple, scalable, and smart. PowerSafe Automation. Premium safety solutions from risk to retrofit. Visit our website at powersafeautomation.com or contact us by emailing sales@powersafeautomation.com.